If you're experiencing a server timeout issue in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to check if the servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the server and may resolve any temporary issues causing the timeout. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider restarting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your firewall settings and add Baldur's Gate 3 to the list of allowed applications, or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if that resolves the issue. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.